All right, boys. This is so sick. All right, welcome to another video, everybody. It is currently sunset, and we're going to a little spinach farm cruise with the homies. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of people, and I had my boy from pretty much back home, Nate, show up in his new Subaru STI. It is unbelievably cool, and we'll do the walk around. It has a lot of mods. It's stage 3. We rode in it, and it's unbelievably quick. So we'll do a little walk around, and you guys can kind of see what it's all about. So yeah, 2018, right?
Yeah, 2018 STI.
Yep. And it has a list of mods, which I guess we'll put in the description if people are super interested. But like, yeah, like the works to it essentially.
Yeah. You want to see the hood?
Yeah. Pop the hood. Oh, dude, I'm so excited. What lie underneath?
Just bought it 2 days ago.
yeah, I literally just bought it. It's on temps right now, so brand spanking new. Oh my god. And Perrin's a pretty popular name among Subaru, correct?
Yeah.
Yep. Holy smokes.
Proper cold air.
Yep. Cold air, and yeah, dude, this thing is so cool. So it's a closed filter system, I can see. So it routes right through there. And it's a Cobb intake, and a lot of stuff is, you can see a lot of things new. A lot of things that weren't here when you bought it, essentially, or when it was new.
Yeah.
Wicked cool. Wicked
Air
cool.
oil separator, which is always good.
Yep. Look at all these lines, dude. It's like a...
I've never seen these before, ever.
So are these for... I guess they must just be for like a little bit of stability, maybe?
Yeah, I guess so.
Maybe for when you go rallying, off-roading. Dude, this thing is so cool. I love the color. I love... this red silver kind of theme going alongside the car. And of course you got those like acid green, acid yellow brake calipers. They're Brembos, and they stop on a dime.
Yes.
Yep.
Correct.
And you have a side skirt. Yep.
Rally armor mud flaps.
Yep. And what exhaust is it? Let's say Tome.
Tome.
Yeah. Dude, that's like such
titanium.
a common exhaust, but they sound so damn good. And dude, absolute rally car. On temp plates, brand spanking new. Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. This thing is sweet.
Want to hear it? Oh,
I do want to hear it. Absolutely. Sounds good. Sounds great, actually. It's like a really, and it's equal length headers, correct?
Yes.
And it's catless.
Correct.
Yep. So, sounds good. I dig it. And obviously the interior, super cool. We got the Cobb access port right yonder. The beautiful Alcantara inserts. And these are APR, correct? Or which, Perrin, okay. Because I know APR makes a lot of, not Volkswagen APR, but APR makes like Perrin. Wow, dude, holy shnikes. Must have been sponsored by Perrin, the glass guy. Dude, it's so cool. I love this thing. I love it. All right, so now we scoop David. We got the old Civic.
This is the lawnmower. It makes about 4 horsepower. Stickers are all of it.
Dude, I love. But you know what? The stance.
It's all right. I mean, I need to fix some things. It's a little bit like it rubs here, like it. Maybe not. The back will get it though.
No wheel gap, which is that's important.
It's a nice little wallet holder.
Yep. So you leave that there at car meets. Flex, flex on everybody.
Yeah, it's got, just if you want to take something, buy yourself something nice.
Dude, this thing is so freaking sweet.
It's okay. It's come a long way though.
Yo, it has. It definitely has.
I definitely need more aero, and it needs a tune. Besides that.
Yeah, we got your neighbor over there with the, I think the WRX.
Yeah.
It's yeah, he drove by.
That's Cobb tuned.
It's not as loud as this.
Well, it's through Cobb.
Through Cobb,
and it's tuned through a Cobb.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Yeah, just block it.
Breaking necks, cash and checks. All right. Gentlemen, I think it's time to go to a spinach farm meet. Oh, man. So we're pulling up on the meet right now. Hopefully it does not get busted.
Please drive inside.
I will do just that. I told everybody, shh, be quiet. So I'm driving with the valves closed because I'm a responsible adult. I'm gonna adopt this new lifestyle. CLS 53. He's not part of the meet, but I appreciate it. I like it. I think it's kind of cool. I'm a little upset as to how loud Nate's car is, so I will be opening the valves because I have zero self-control. Much better. Howdy! How do you do? Is it full up here?
No, there's still spots. I don't know how many, but up to you. Yeah, I said no.
Is that New England Pete?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, you know what? SpongeBob mask.
I love the balaclava. Oh shit! Oh.
Look at this. Hell yeah, brother. Got David's Civic.
I feel like I should move mine forward and up a little bit.
Yes. Yep.
Ship it to you. If it comes with like a small crack, get wide body, like a wide body kit from Civic from this company, and like yeah.
Hi.
What's happening, Billy?
I have no clue. I'm chilling.
What's happening, David?
The Popo is very unfortunate.
But he's chill though. I'm pretty sure he's pretty chill.
Pretty chill. The cop is chill? Okay. Good.
A few moments later.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Colby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what that means, but I mean, if you guys are safe, I don't know. I don't know what that means, right?
even like revving or anything.
I know.
I'd have to say we're safe.
I like her.
You like her?
She's nice.
Yeah. kind of hot.
Nice call. Is Officer Stacy on this?
No, he's not. Why, is he your favorite?
Yeah. I bring him donuts. I'm friends with his son.
Oh yeah, Zach. That's such a sweetheart. Yeah, wow. Yeah, like, that's a kiss-ass move, dude.
Well, as you guys can probably tell, we are dipping. We're leaving this wonderful car meet with Spinach Farm. It was great seeing some of you guys out here. Yeah, no, it was a great time. It's dark, it's cold, and I'm kind of hungry and I want to go home. So, yeah, we got the homies and we're gonna dip. Got the Subaru right behind us. Oh, it sounds so damn good. Subi. All right, we're gonna get the driving impressions of the Subaru WRX STI.
Crackle, crackle, crackle. Crackle pop.
Definitely.
Is this stick?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's stick.
Oh, shit, that's awesome.
I think you can only get STIs in stick, correct?
Yes.
Yep. Dude, this thing's so sweet. So freaking sweet. I love it. All right, boys.
That's louder with that window down.
Yeah, right? I know, dude, it's so sick. You already caught up to that guy right in front of you. All right.
4 minutes. 4 minutes. Hey, look at me. 4 minutes. You heard it here first.
Well, that was the STI, a little bit of a Spinach Farm meet and some rides and some pulls, some quick pulls in gnarly car. So yeah, thanks Nate for coming. We'll definitely do some more videos of this thing because it's gnarly.
Yeah.
It's freaking gnarly. All right. Peace out, everyone.